runners who have performed exemplary well from Nyamira, who have brought us to the global map of our country in terms of performance. Currently, we have a very good program of CPC that does not know the winner and the failure. It's only for us as leaders to have the best mechanisms to ensure that CPC works. Yule anapata A, anaenda mahali anastahili kuwa. Yule anapata D, E, na yeye pia kuna nafasi ya mahali pa kwenda. So that's the program we want to embrace and we want to support it. I want to thank all the stakeholders, the sponsors, our teachers, the students themselves, because you have demonstrated that togetherness can make us climb to higher heights through good results and good achievements. We will support you as a County Assembly in matters of legislation to ensure that our ECD teachers are well facilitated, their areas are well paid, and also we have the best infrastructure in our ECD structures. So kama assembly tuko tayari, tumepitisha budget, na wale walimu wa ECD watakayeshia ambao watalipwa malipo yao ya deni tutafactor katika hii budget ama supplementary budget ya kuenda kufunga mwaka, ndio na wao wakaweza kupata motisha kuendelea kufanya kazi yao katika mashule yetu. Mbaro baminto ba lendira abana ba twacha waserekea gai abayigoli balibe tikanire bakoboli amanje ko roche kabikia se chiro ba sida abana abaso school baso for our parents na inche iwongwe kumba semoli mbatenga mbyono asobosira kulimana kwa abana baitu egere na baroba sukemotu banyole aliyamaya ense ikagenda takonona. We have a challenge in our national institutions, especially the funding model of our university students, which are available. As we finish, I want to echo what our Reverend Father said, Lucas. No, I know Murano etire ogate grade because if you look currently in science, technology is overtaking events. You want to tabula ti as your koboko, alanyaro koya no mundo. Nabo okonyole degree aona ilete oko. Ose onyole degree kia, lakini mundo yo nyolete I ojokole as your koboko, uchikobo mokoli as yo. So we must also be very dynamic to adopt to the current calling of our nation. Kenya saba sisemi nimba nchete na bantawa ya mole amangane kisegine kawaida siasa. Lakini waheshimiwa wansi nimba nchete mheshimiwa wetu ukuwa na Telecom mangana aliye siasa nama ubosani nomwa aende tunabongo teranga tuko tayari kufanya kazi pamoja tusukine mira yetu usi mageta neno yugo keronde mchengo na gara Nyamira aende ngire libageli kwa rangi lumo chumbo ito mheshimiwa Clive Ombane Gisairo oyore tokoka somero ito. Welcome mheshimiwa Clive Ombane.